So today we are here at Katchie Beauty Lounge. It's basically a beauty salon that sells a lot of makeup, brushes, hair extensions, and you can get a lot of contact lenses here as well and other beauty products. So it's really a one-stop wonder sa mga makeup addicts like me. Every time I go here, lagi ako may binibili. It's quite a struggle not to spend money. Also, dito rin ako bumibili ng mga false eyelashes ko for my kit and also my makeup chair for when I do professional makeup. Dito rin yun nanggaling. So kung kayo ay nag-umpisa pa lang sa pagiging makeup artist, you can definitely look around here and see what they have. That will help you grow your kit. Marami talagang kagamitan dito. Even brush cleaners, mga hairpin, mga disposable brushes, and whatever. So that's Katchie. Hello. Medyo blurred, pero siya yan. She's a professional hair and makeup artist. So she really knows what she's doing and she really thought about the things that she's kept here at her lounge because she only wanted the best for her clients and that's what she does. Shampoo. Pag bini-bleach ba, dapat hindi ka mag-shampoo?
So shampoo-in dapat po.
So kailangan
shampoo malinis lang. Opo, kailangan
walang conditioner.
Walang any residue ng mga chemical or what ng dirt. Basta any residue ng natural residue ng mga sa pollution.
Ay shit, napakadami po. 4th day hair ko na yan. So here, binoblow dry lang nila yung hair ko because kakatapos lang namin mag-shampoo. We just need the hair to be super clean. Pero as you can tell, my hair is super damaged already, lalo na yung tips because I have bleached it earlier this year for highlights. And ito yung part na Katchie is examining my hair on where she wants the blonde part to start. And she was explaining to me na yung roots ko will be darker and how she will be doing it. So it's nice to know na the hairstylist that we have knows what she's going to do and how she's already gonna do it with the condition of your hair right now. This is the before of my hair. Very damaged, very dry. And then here, they are parting my hair into a lot of different parts kasi they wanted pantay. Ayaw nila ng kukuha lang sila ng kung san-san ng mga hair and then tsaka nila i-highlight. So they're very particular about the parting and also the process of putting the bleach around the hair since they are going to do it ng balayage and also ombre. So right now they are doing the weave technique. Parang ito yung old school way of highlighting it. So the first part, weave nila yung first layer and then yung natira, which is that what she's holding, they are teasing it upwards para may mga parts na mababa yung color at hindi siya sagad, if that makes sense. Tinataas nila yung buhok para pamaya pag nilet go nila, merong mga parts na hindi nakulayan. Parang yun yung pinaka-highlight effect niya. And also from what I remember, she told me na yung bleach na ginamit nila, hindi masyadong matapang, I think, because I already have previously highlighted hair. So they're not gonna put it in a very high level because I already have light tips. So parang hindi nila ito todo ng bongga-bongga. Tsaka parang hindi na siya maging brittle because I do have pretty thin and fine hair. So hindi nila masyadong binonggahan. Unlike if it's someone with a really, really dark, thick hair.
Kasi kung kaya na siya mag-lift ng ganitong kababang mas safe. Kaysa itotodo ko siya. Baka masyanggal-syanggal to.
Pero kami na kulay, ganito, or lighter?
Depende. Kasi yung foil nakakatulong siya sa pag-lighter. Since may heat, diba? So, mas bibilis siya. So, yun. Keratin infused na rin siya. Tapos, at the same time,
hindi lang siya bleach, version parang hair care.
Oo. Makaka-prevent siya dun sa madadamage na rin.
Ang bleach ba kung gano'n siya katagal? Ganun nagdedepende ito na sa tagal pala.
Sa tagal din. Pero kung ano nga, hindi na siya masyado nagde-develop, ayun, maglalagay ka ng panibang. Kasi pag natuyo na siya, wala na yun.
And then we just went on, we talked about kailangan mo talaga ng good eye when it comes to color correcting hair. Kasi minsan, maraming pinagdadaanan ng kulay yung hair natin. We add brown, we add black, we add whatever. And sometimes when people go into salons asking for, let's say, ash brown or ash blonde, yung mga ibang hairstylists, they don't know how to really fix that color. So she's just talking about how she really studied all of that. And that's why she's really known for good bleaching and ash colors. If you check out their Instagram, you will see all their creations and more of the creative, colorful side sila ng hair coloring. Look at mine to yours. Mas alaga.
Keratin lang.
Keratin talaga. Every when?
Depende. Kasi yung sa amin, maglala siya ng 3 to 4 months, ganun. So,
actually, may ibang keratin nga na parang 1 month lang. Back to normal na siya after.
Pero depende pa yun sa alaga mo. Kasi kung yung shampoo mo ay hindi rin naman keratin.
Because it is damaged, sabi nga niya, kailangan talaga mag-maintain tayo ng moisture for our hair. Like keratin treatments. Because uhaw na uhaw yung hair natin from all the bleaching and damage. Also, yung mga purple shampoo to keep our hair ash color. Kasi nga ash blonde yung magiging color ng hair ko. Also, to stay away from pool chlorine or the sun too much kasi nakaka-orange na talaga siya ng hair after a long time. So, yung purple shampoo, meron ka rin dito?
Yung clear yung tawag.
I swear, alam mo, kung may pa-department store ang pangbuhok, ito na yun.
Blonde ka, kailangan mo ng parang debrassing element na parang toner. Ayun, meron siya all in one now.
So, sa magiging kakalabasan ng hair ko, kailanganin ko na.
So, nakaka-strengthen niya ng hair. Para at least. Ako, yung gamit ko, lagi akong blonde, diba?
Tagal mo nang blonde.
Ganun lang.
Si iPlex.
Once a week, yun, nag-iPlex ako. Tapos hindi ako lagi nag-shampoo. Talaga. Every other.
Paano kung oily ka? Ako kasi ang oily ng hair ko.
Yun.
Pero hindi ako nag-shampoo talaga everyday. Hindi talaga.
Better yun. Kasi mas maganda na yung natural oil ng hair mo.
Pero lagi din ako nag-dry shampoo.
Ayun, dry shampoo.
Okay lang. Hindi ba siya nakaka-clog ng pores? Meron kasi hindi talaga. Okay. Sobrang tiyaga ang nipis. Here you can see, nag-lift na kaagad yung hair ko kasi fine nga yung strands niya. So, it's really easy to lift daw. Sobrang init lang ng folder, napakadami niyang ginamit. Walang tiyaga nila. Look how light it is now. Ang galing. Sobrang galing. Amaze na amaze ako. Oh my God. Tingnan yung ginawa. It's so blonde already.
Yung barrier yan, yung parang orange. Yun yung lalagyan ng roots para mag-blend.
And then here, they're applying the toner that will make the yellowness, brassiness away. Magiging grayish siya. So later, when we do the final look, it will be completely platinum blonde. Ito lang din yung part na medyo stingy siya sa anit. But for the most part, the bleaching didn't hurt my scalp. Boom! Gray! Love it! Actually, I would love to dye my hair gray, pero that's not what we're going for right now. The grayish look will only lighten the tips. It's not necessarily gray after later. As you can tell, yung tips ko ay patay na, but don't worry, I'm gonna get a haircut because that part has been bleached about 4 times already since last year because I did dye my hair pink last year. So don't mind the tips. That's not from the bleach right now. It's from the bleach in the past. Okay, so right now they're just applying some ash brown on my roots and then fading it downwards, maybe an inch down lang. And I'm also doing makeup para okay yung itsura ko at the end. So we already put a brown color to fade it better.
Ay, ma'am, dito na po.
Ay, we're done na?
Dito na po sa shampoo na po.
Better nga na brown yung roots. Oh my God! I'm from California. Wow, ka na oh. Hi, my name is Teena Arches. I grew up in LA. Sarap ganun na ng oil. Ay, may lusutan. May pa-sleeves. Oh my God. Love it. Here naman, I just asked Katchie to cut my hair because the ends is just too much. I really don't like that kind of negativity in my life. So, sabi ko, gupitan na lang niya. And I actually do miss having short hair na rin. So, it just worked out great. Oh my God! Sorry. Oh my God! I look so black! Oh my goodness. Magpapaposing ako dito. Sobrang cute. Oh my God. I'm so blonde. Yellow. Ayun! Guys, it's so pretty! Shit, girl! Oh my God. Solid. Kanina, medyo worried ako pero ang ganda. Buti na bawi sa roots. Sobrang ganda ng roots.
Hindi mo na may iwan ng gano'n.
Well, let's just say it's been done before. Oh my God, I'm so happy. Okay, time for photos. Ayan, so tapos na after 5 hours. Oh my God, I'm so obsessed with my hair. Trust the process nga. Sabi nga namin kanina nag-worry ako na it's gray. Pero you know, they know what they're doing. Okay, so every information that you want, I will include it down in the description box. Babalik naman ako dito sa Saturday para magpa-keratin because it's a part of it. You know, let's take care of it when we destroy it. Pero beauty is pain, ganun talaga. So dito lang sila sa Green Hills. Malapit lang, middle ground. Malapit sa Makati, malapit sa QC. Huwag kayong choosy. Charot. So, Katchie, thank you so much. Natawa niya. Nahiya ako mag-vlog sa'yo. 20 na kami ng hair. Susunod, magta-try ko yan. After a while.
Bongga.
After a while. Oo, syempre, nandito na. Pinatay ko na. Laban ko na.
Todo na, no?
Todo na. Oh my God, I'm so puti. Mukha akong foreigner. Oh, excuse me. Okay, bye. Mamamatay na naman tong camera ko. And I'll be back soon. Bye! So obviously, I couldn't really talk much kasi we were just basically doing it and ang tagal talaga. So it's not like I can parang just show you everything we talked about. But as for everything, of course, this is a review also to their salon and how they did my hair. I super duper love my hair as in solid. It's not patchy. It's not... Actually, the patchiness talaga matters to me kasi ang daming pinagdaanan ng hair ko. I dyed my hair brown earlier this year, like January. So the fact na sobrang pantay siya talaga, super is surprising to me at ang galing na napantay nila yon. And talagang they were so tedious about... Tama yung grammar ko, tedious. Basta they were super... As in, kunwari may brown spot, talagang they will focus on that spot. Like, ganun sila ka, like OC with dyeing my hair blonde. And to me, that matters a lot because I've never experienced that in a salon. Normally, parang they just overcharge you and hindi sila super OC or anal about the bleaching part. Kasi it's the first time basically na I've bleached my hair nang hindi patchy, nang walang problem area, nang I'm completely happy. Basta, bleaching is just always so scary to me because not a lot of people can get it right. So if you are somebody who is worried about getting your hair bleached somewhere and talagang you need somewhere that you can just really trust, I super suggest Katchie Beauty Lounge. It's a salon and you can also shop there if you're somebody who's addicted to contact lenses, makeup, lashes, everything that you need as a professional makeup artist or a newbie makeup artist or just someone who just loves makeup. I cannot express how happy I am. I mean, like, of course, syempre na-damage yung hair ko that's bleach, pero the color is super, hindi siya brassy, hindi siya orange. It's blonde. Ito yung masasabi ko na wala. Blonde na talaga ako. Alam mo yun? I don't know. I'm just super happy with it. If you want to know how much the whole procedure is, I will post it in the description box para kompleto talaga yung price list for like different length, different procedures also. Kasi hindi lang naman isa yung ginawa sa akin. So, just in case you guys are going to be curious about it. Also, Katchie kasi is a professional makeup and hairstylist talaga. So, I'm pretty sure iba yung eye niya when it comes to doing hair. Kasi, I don't know, feeling ko iba kasi yung salon person ka and like, if you're an actual hairstylist. You know what I mean? Parang, I don't know, iba eh. Parang mas may fashion guide, if that makes sense. I think sobrang GGSS ako, girl. If you have any more questions regarding Katchie Beauty Lounge, or if you just want to directly inquire, then I will post all of her social media links in the description box as well. Very soon, I'll post more about hair care naman for bleached hair because I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one. And I'm still learning how to take care of like really blonde hair. So that is it. Kikay of the day is right here. Congratulations, you're the Kikay of the day. I love you so much. If you want to see more of my videos, please don't forget to click the post notification button. Also on Instagram, don't forget to click the post notification button because you do need it to, you know, para mas updated kayo sa akin. If gusto niyo lang naman. Of course, I'm not gonna force you. So that is it. I have nothing else to say. And with all that said, I want you guys to never forget that you are beautiful. Bye! God bless!